So what we've done initially is we've measured out the area of where the shed's going to go. Now we're going to level the ground, and once we've leveled it, I'll be back to you. So what I've done now is I've gone round, I've dug to 3 to 4 inches. In places it is a lot, because of the soil levels, it is a lot higher than others. So about here, it's for about 3 inches. Over there, it's about 8. The shed is 12 by 8. And we've leveled the ground. So I'm just going to make sure that the ground's fairly level. Yeah. I've checked it all around, so I'm ready now to put down the grid of the Shedbase system. So now what I'm doing is actually opening up the Shedbase system and getting the base down. So you can see they're fairly lightweight, easy. Take parts. So now I'm just going to take a few of these down and start laying them. Right. So now what I'm going to do is put the grids down, and it's dead simple. Just going to Yep. So now that we've laid the grid, the next stage is to put the gravel in. Now I've taken the grid base down, I'm going to take the actual gravel and take that down with me. Right. So now I've brought all the gravel down. I'm now going to start putting it into the grids. And I'll complete the rest of them, and we can come back and have a look what we've done. Now that I've emptied the bags of gravel into the grids, the aggregate, I'm just now raking it and just generally levelling. I'm not doing anything more than just being very general about it. So where I need a little bit more, I'll put a bag in it in a bit. I've more or less generally levelled it. I'm just going to check the levels. That's level, that's level, that's level, that's level. So that's the Shedbase system, done and dusted. A lot easier than doing concrete.